right, y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Saturday morning. It's about 9 o'clock, and it is just a beautiful fall morning. Man, God is just showing out with all the colors of the trees. Man, it's just, man, I love fall this time of year. It starts to get a little crisp in there, and seasons start to change. But anyway, I'm headed down here to a little river. One of my favorite, no, not my favorite, but a spot that I like to go to a lot, kind of close to the house. But anyway, I hadn't fished since Hurricane Helene, and today that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna kind of see how the fishing is, and yeah, see how much this river's changed. I'm sure it's a completely different river. Actually, I know it is, but anyway, yeah, y'all stay tuned. Now this hole's changed quite a bit. Dang it. Ooh. There he is. This hole right here, I usually catch a few at anyway. It's changed a lot. It was a lot deeper up towards the head. But hey, we got us a nice little brown out of it. This guy survived the flood. See, bud. There he is. Yes. Oh, decent one. He's on that right corner to net this guy. Come here, buddy. Yes. Decent brown, decent brown. Off to a good start, y'all. Got a small brown, and that one, he probably about 12 inches. Decent brown, decent brown. But yeah, they're still fishing here. The fishing's still pretty decent. Oh, another hit. Got him. Oh, lost him too. Dang, how'd we lose him? There he is. Another one. It's a good little hole. It's the third one in this hole. Didn't land that second one, but hey, they're in here. Getting better as we go upstream. Look, he just had to have that old Panther Martin #2, golden black. See, bud. just a little guy. What's up with that? He might be 3 inches. You're going to have to go get bigger, little buddy. A little buddy. Knew it was gonna be one in this hole. It just looked too good. He's ready to go, sonny. Spit that old Panther Martin out. Come on, little buddy. Yeah, let's move it on up. Move it on up. Even the best of us get hung sometimes. Sometimes you just go straight over a limb and then try to jerk it off of it and it's all hung up. Big mess. We're gonna move on up and hopefully we'll get into some, whoa, let me fall down here real quick. Woo. We're gonna move on up, hopefully get into some better fish. As soon as I quit dancing all around this river, these old rocks are slick. Got a little debris right through there with a old Hurricane Helene. Pushed it all up on the bank. Got some dark rainbow here. Talking about pretty right there. I like them dark ones. Little chunky little guy. He's a survivor. He made it through the flood. Go on, buddy. Get bigger. We're gonna slowly creep up around this hole and try to get the head of the hole, fish it a little bit. You can see to the left, all that debris that got caught right there. Even before the flood, the debris, that was always a good place that debris got caught. But as you can see, it got a lot more than usual. Brownski. He gone. Starting to get some raindrops. Kind of darkening up all around me. As you can see, it's really dark over that way. But yeah, it's supposed to rain, but it wasn't supposed to be here till about 11. Got that rain coming down. Like to catch me a big old brown. Got that rain pouring down. All right, y'all, as I'm under this little bush, been here a minute. It started out just a slow little drizzle rain, and now it's picked up quite a bit, but just under this bush, staying out of the rain a little bit, and I don't know, the Lord just laid it on my heart to go over a little verse with y'all and tell a little bit about him, because it's all about him, it ain't about me. But anyway, it's Romans 8:28. It is. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. So, man, he's just telling us, like there, he's just telling us, no matter what goes on, what you're going through, he's going to get you through it. I mean, but he wants us to love him. He wants us to love him, so that way he'll get us through anything. I mean, he is the King of Kings. He is the Lord of Lords. He created it all. He's the most important thing in this world that there is. And just without him, I'd be nothing. I mean, I suffered with addiction for 16 years, and I gave my life to him, started serving him, seeking him, and have a relationship with him. And he has brought me out of my addiction. I'm 6 years clean now, and it's all because of him. But yeah, I just wanted to give God a little credit. He just laid it on my heart to let y'all know that. But just I hope you might have a relationship with him. If not, I mean, it's simple, easy. Just talk to him, ask him to come into your heart, let him to be Lord over your life. He'll change you in mighty ways, and you'll have eternity in heaven with him. But anyway, hoping this rain will ease off. If not, probably just going to continue to go on upstream and keep fishing. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's get back to fishing. It's not really going to ease up. Not sure how much longer I'm going to fish. I know there's a couple good holes up here. I want to at least try to catch a few more fish up ahead. Dang, them leaves. Oh, son, big hit, big hit. Oh, there he is. Had a good hit, or either it was this one and then he ran towards me and then ran back the other way. But anyway, nice little rainbow. Oh, son. Oh, good rainbow. Dang. Wonder if he'll come back for it. There he is. Decent rainbow, nothing too big. It tore the side out of this barn. Pushed this tree down through here. Oh, there he is. Yes. Good brown. Good brown. Good brown. Come here. Yes, yes, yes. Man, he's colored up nice too. Beautiful little chunkster. A little chunkster. Yeah, little chunkster. There he is, another good brown, y'all. Another good brown. Two good browns back to back. A little stubby, little. Kind of. This one and that other one, kind of little stubby little browns. Y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. I don't think the hurricane affected the fishing too much, man. I was catching them just like I normally would. If anything, it might have made it a little better. Caught a few decent browns, bunch of little rainbows, but yeah. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.